Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to speed up a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, select the video you want to edit. Now right click on the clip in the timeline and select speed and duration. In the dialog box, set the new speed duration for the clip. Now play the video. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.